I feel bad for her. The guy would be you. Or would it be the girl? I think that would be you and Ben at the dance. Definitely. Come on. Oh my god, that was awesome. Well then. I think there was some minor troubles there, so. Otherwise she wouldn't be going out by herself. That woman on the window. Oh my god.
I should think so. There are ways. Well, it's simple. Meet me Saturday afternoon in front of the Lowe's Theater. I'll take you in. Unless there's something I've already seen. It wouldn't be as you're on your own.
Oh god.
My good actor.
As long as I work for Monumental, for the grades don't fall.
No kidding, Cosmo. You're my pal. You can tell me.
What's the matter with you? Of course you're good.
You tell me from time to time. I feel less shaky.
The new Don Bond.
Don, meet my lovely, lovely wife, Lisa. Don, where have you been? We've been waiting. Listen, everybody, I have a few little surprises for you tonight. Come on, everybody, stand aside, stand aside. Move it out, Sam, move it out.
A movie? We just saw one.
You gotta play a movie at parties. Hollywood law.
Listen, this is going to hand you a lot of laughs. This man has been coming to my office for months now, and well, you got that gadget working yet, Sam? That's all right. Next step. Okay, let her go.
Who is that handsome young man?
This is a demonstration of the walking picture. Notice how it's a picture. And I'm talking. Notice how my lips and the sounds issuing from them are synchronized together in perfect unison. My voice is recorded on record and so connected with the mechanism of the projection machine as to run simultaneously with the unreal film. A walking picture. Thank you.
Well, he was marvelous. I doubt it. Warner Brothers are making a whole talking picture with this gadget.